Now that we set up our questions and we have all of our text, our bullets, and our multiple select boxes all lined up, we want to go in here and finalize the animation timing as well as the feedback slide. So when we left off, we were just tweaking the alignment right here. Now we also notice right here that we have some other choices that are marked as true that should not be, right? So all four of these statements, sorry to break it to you, they're all false. But I can change these really easily just by clicking them here in the slide view. If I wanted to jump over here to form view, I could do that and make the choice, select the incorrect or correct choices there. But it's really nice to work from within slide view to make that update. At this point, I'm going to go ahead really quickly and insert my quiz title or my little heading right here. Take the quiz, bring that up right there. Looks great. And what I want to do now is adjust those animations, right? So in the last example, we didn't really finalize the animations. We had set the initial fade in and out for the first people, but we want to actually animate and bring all of these in together as well. So let me go ahead real quick. I see that this is set to a full second. I'm going to have this fade off a lot quicker. So I'm just going to come in here, grab these start animations, and I'm going to move that over. It's going to make the transition seem a little bit smoother, a little bit faster. I'm going to lock them. I'm going to turn off their visibility. And what I'm also going to do now is bring everything out so that it comes in just as these are finalizing. So bring that over. I can actually hold the shift key down, bring some of these over at once, line it up with the bottom, the parents. Now I jumped over the question. I can't do it from here, but if I expand the arrow, the folder button, I can actually do them all at once right here. So let's grab them all, move them over, and then take the quiz also. Okay, go ahead now and just add my fading animation. So animation, fade in. I'll have it fade in fast. I'm going to grab all these together. Fade in, fast. Come down here. I can select all those with the bullets. And fade in, fast. I'm just doing this all. If I wanted to change the animations or mix it up, I certainly could. Really just trying to go with some conservative animations here. And then the parents. Fade in, fast. Just go ahead and preview, see how we're looking at this point. So preview. And let me hit replay one more time. All right, so I like how it works, right? If I click the replay button, I can see they fade out nicely. But these guys kind of have that pause. I want to have these guys come in a little bit overlapping so they kind of come in and fade out together. So close the preview, and I'm just going to drag the second group of people in a little bit more so they kind of fade in a little bit more with those as they're fading out. That's it. We're all set. At this point, we've set up our questions. We've aligned our multiple select feedback boxes. We're really ready to go. Actually, I might just make these guys a little bit smaller. Her hair's sticking out. There we go. At this point, I want to copy what I have, and then I'm going to paste it into a new blank slide, right? Just so when we created this slide, we actually copied the elements from the previous. It's going to make the transition that much smoother. So a couple things I want to do. I can't copy, and I don't want to copy the multiple select checkboxes. Can't do it. You can't select them from one to another, but also I don't want to, so turn off the visibility there. Paper background, everything else here I do want to copy, make sure I unlock everything because I will just do it all together. I'm going to also turn off the text box for the question, do a Control-A, Control-C, save and close, blank slide introduction, new slide for the quiz. We want to go ahead and add one more blank slide for our follow-up. So I'm going to jump over to form view. Here we are in slide view and Control-V to paste. What I also want to do at this point is remove all those animations, right? I don't want anything animating here, so I'll just go here, no animation. And a couple things I also want to do is I want to bring everything over here to the left, right? I don't need any delays from these graphics. And in the next lesson, we're going to go ahead and finalize the quick feedback for the choices. And then we'll be ready to customize the final player and wrap up the project.